Hi guys, Neil Waterhouse. Since Facebook released Facebook Marketplaces back in 2016, we've been keeping a very close eye on it as another marketplace for dropshipping. If you're already dropshipping on say places like eBay, Amazon, Shopify store, etc., adding another marketplace like Facebook to sell exactly the same items obviously means more diversification, more sales of exactly the same dropship items, and therefore more turnover and more profit. The reason we've been watching Facebook Marketplaces closely is Facebook is currently the 4th most visited website on the planet. Now, just for any newbies watching this video, Facebook Marketplaces is where you can buy and sell items on Facebook, and the term dropshipping is when you sell items before you purchase them and your supplier ships the item direct to your customer after you've been paid. Now, since Facebook released marketplaces back in 2016, it's used primarily to buy and sell mostly just used items. Yes, there is new items sold, but the majority of items sold on marketplaces are used items. But things are changing, and this could be very exciting. The reason we've not pushed hard on selling our dropship and import products on marketplaces is it does not offer automation like you can do with eBay, Amazon and Shopify, etc. Facebook in the past did not give any options for shipping, payment or inventory control. So you couldn't use a program like Scarcity Manager to manage your inventory and or your suppliers. This is changing. Facebook has started rolling out shipping and payments in different locations and in different categories. They've also started offering inventory management, where you can tell Facebook how many of an item you have available, so you don't have to relist the item every time it sells. Unfortunately though, Facebook is not making it public yet as to which locations and categories that shipping, payments and inventory management is available. The only way to find out is to try listing an item in your location and see if Facebook has shipping for that category. If Facebook offers shipping in your location, you'll see this option on the left-hand side as you list your item. Likewise, if the category you are listing in offers shipping, you'll see that option below the relevant category. You'll also see the stock management if it is available in your category and your location. In Australia, we're currently not seeing the shipping option, but in our North American account, we do. Please let me know in the comment section below if Facebook shows you these options in your location. Now, the big thing to keep in mind here is Facebook Marketplaces with shipping is very new. So if you wish to get in on the ground floor, as they say, keep a close eye on it. Also, Facebook only charges between 0, which is their promo at the moment, and 5% when items are sold, which is cheaper than eBay and Amazon. A couple of things to note here are, when items sell on this new platform, you need to upload a tracking number within 3 business days. And also, Facebook is currently taking around 5 days to release funds. And with new sellers, they're not releasing funds until the tracking number shows that the item's been delivered. But if you're paying your suppliers with a credit card, a lot of credit card companies give you up to 55 days to pay, and some are giving ridiculous amounts, 6 months, 13 months and whatever. But if it's just a normal credit card, 55 days to pay, you can still remain cash flow positive. Bottom line is, this is all very new, but if you're drop shipping, Facebook is the 4th most visited site on the planet. So we need to keep a very close eye on it, and I'll certainly do my best to keep everybody updated as things change. That's all for this week. If you need any help scaling up your business, make sure you check out the free step-by-step videos below. And while you're there, make sure you hit the subscribe button to the No Fluff channel that teaches how anyone can make a full-time living from their home dropshipping using less than $100. Until next week, stay safe, list more, sell more. This is Neil Waterhouse.